of us like having an elegant glass shower door in the bathroom. It brings a touch of sophistication to our homes. At least when it's clean, anyway. As we all know, our shower doors can quite easily transform into dirty and smelly places over time. There are a few reasons for that, but the two most significant problems are hard water and soap. They accumulate gradually on glass shower screens if left uncleaned. The result is permanent damage to the glass. If you'd rather not use harsh chemicals in your bathroom, there are a few natural cleaning hacks that'll help you clean the glass shower door without the potential unwanted health risks. Let's start. 1. Clean shower doors with vinegar. For a homemade soap scum-slaying cleaner, mix warm distilled white vinegar and grease-cutting dish detergent in equal proportions. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and spray it on the front and back of the doors. Let the mixture stand for about 30 minutes or until it's cut through the grime. Then rinse off the solutions using fresh water and a damp sponge, and dry the glass with a microfiber cloth. This vinegar and dish soap solution works for most showers. But use caution when cleaning shower doors with vinegar. If your shower's made of stone, the vinegar could damage it. Instead, mix some liquid soap with baking soda until it's the consistency of frosting, and scrub this eco-friendly cleaner onto the glass shower door with a non-scratch sponge. 2. Clean shower doors with lemon. Say goodbye to annoying streaks with this trick to clean glass shower doors without residue. All you need to do is cut a lemon in half and dip the cut side in baking soda, then rub on both sides of the glass door. The acid in the lemon reacts with the baking soda, making a sudsy foam. Once you get the glass clean, it's effective to rub it with a little lemon oil too. The oil will repel the water so the soap doesn't dry on the glass. As a bonus, the fresh lemon scent is much more pleasant than bleach. 3. Clean shower doors with baking soda and vinegar. It makes sense that if baking soda and vinegar work separately to clean your shower, there's something of a powerhouse when you combine them together. For this simple remedy, make a paste of half a cup of baking soda and white vinegar. Wipe your shower door with the paste and wipe it off after approximately 10 to 15 minutes with a cloth or paper towel. They should look much cleaner and brighter than before. 4. Use a DIY daily shower spray. Using a shower spray daily can allow you more time between deep cleans. Make your own cleaner on the cheap, mixing 1 cup of water, half a cup of vinegar, a little dish soap, and 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil for scent. Keep it in the shower and spray the glass door down after squeegeeing. It's like a 5-second job that can make a difference when it comes to keeping your glass clean in the long run. Again, skip the vinegar if you have a stone tile shower. Now that we know the best ingredients for making our shower screen sparkle, you need to know how often to use these remedies. Ideally, you should wipe down the shower right after the last person has finished up their shower for the day. This is the best time to clean your shower surround because the warm water has already loosened up the grime. Use a sponge or foam cleaning pad to avoid the need for additional cleaning products or toxic chemicals. Cross multiple chores off your list by cleaning shower doors, walls, and floors at the same time. The edges or tracks of your shower door need attention too. These creases are a prime target for mold and trapped soap scum if you forget about them while cleaning shower doors. Use a toothbrush to scrub the metal frame around your shower door. A paint scraper can help get the gunk where the metal meets the shower or door. And a razor blade scraper, when carefully and gently applied, can scrape mineral spots off the flat glass. Be sure to use a clean, sharp blade and hold it at a 45-degree angle to the surface to avoid scratching the glass. So what's the best shower cleaning routine? How often should you really be scrubbing your glass? If you keep up with regular light maintenance, you should only have to deep clean your shower door every few weeks. Here's a good shower cleaning schedule to follow for the above tasks. Every day. After using the shower, use your DIY spray cleaner and leave the door open to air out. Weekly. Give your whole shower a wipe down once a week with a sponge. Once a month. It's time for a deep clean. Thoroughly scrub your entire shower, making sure to get in any nooks and crannies. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to remove soap scum from a shower and bath. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.